Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Pulse, your daily dose of what real happening in United States right now. It's January 20, 2026, one full year since President Trump's second inauguration, and today is absolutely chase nationwide wipeout. Greenland on fire, market taking, and more. Let's jump straight in. First, the streets are alive today is the official Free America walkout at 12 p.m. local time. People are walking out of the job, schools, stores. Your name is organized by the human march and dust of the allied group. The message is clear. We will be ungovernable. Tens of the thousands inspected coast to coast California already since big turnout in Oregon country. Bear Ellis Singh uh, never were say no more rates, no more hits, no more surveillance. Some are when calling the biggest resistance ac- action since 2020. Phones are blowing up with live videos. Stay logged on social if you want to real time update. Next, the Greenland situation just went nuclear over the weekend. President Trump sent a very direct message to Norway and the Denmark. He wants complete the total country of Greenland for US nation security cities, Russia and China moving into the Antarctica. He literally said he no longer feel obligated to think purely to peace because he did not win the Nobel Prize. He tied it to be the Nobel. He is now threatening 10% traffic on the either European countries Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Germany, France, UK, Netherlands, Finland starting February 1. If they don't hand it over, that jumps 25% by June. If no deal, European is losing it. Denmark rushing to more troops to Greenland. UAE leader are calling emergency meeting, and some are the leader taking about $100 $100 billion in literally traffic. NATO allies are opening asking if the alliance can ever survive. This stock market are blending down future. Quick hits on everything easily shaking the country today. Supreme Court dropping major ruling any minute, including possible on the legislatively on Trump global traffic plans. Trump 10% credit card interest rate cap dealing hits today. Banks still have no real plan. Customer waiting to see if rate you actually drop. Venezuela rename hot ongoing, taking about US black moves and Mather capture Senres. Immigration protest allegation nation guard to stable in Minnesota after big ICE demo class. New armed country commentary defense group opted up in several states, some comparing themselves to modern bank pattern. Trump publicly called the regime change in Iran again. Pentagon sources say they are watching very closely. Grocery prices still climbing. Many blames income traffic already. That's America right now, January 2026. Protests in the street in the world, oldest elegant cracking, and the White House that not blink. What do you do? What do you think? Blood moves on total chase. Drop your hotness tag in the comments. If things keep you in the loop, massive that like button, subscribe if you are new, and turn on the notification so you never miss a daily update. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching and stay about there. See to you tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. I have liked this video. I'm sorry for my pronunciation because I have problem to pronounce anything. I try to my best, so please support. Thank you.